Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is gonna be like birthday week vlog kind of thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I already kind of did half the stuff without recording it. Like the day I got here to my mom's house, I went to Dunkin', I went to the grocery store, I went to the bakery, and then yesterday I did my nails, I did my lashes, and I did my pedicure. So yeah, now today I'm going to hang out with my roommate from college. We haven't seen each other in like about 2 years or so. So yeah, we met each other freshman year of college. That was literally like 8 years ago. So yeah, so if you guys want to see what I do for my birthday week, then keep on watching. And also, if you guys have not checked out my birthday dinner date video, I'll link that down below. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. It's kind of cool outside. And I got this halter top on. But luckily I brought a jacket. It's Tay-Tay! Smile?
Oh.
No!
Okay.
Hug.
Okay.
It would get me on that first one. Rude. I got this one. EST 2017. Looks like that. And it's got an ankle. Cute. With those shoes too.
Like this. And this little pop.
What did you say?
I said I saw a girl on TikTok mixing soy sauce and vinegar.
One for her, one for me. Getting the thing now that you posted.
Oh wow.
Now it's in Barnes & Nobles. Not me picking up a book when I said I was gonna stop picking up physical copies. So I did not show you guys the books that I got the other day when I was at Barnes & Nobles. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So I got The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, and look at this copy. So beautiful, the sprayed edges and like the flower that they mentioned in the book. Super beautiful. I probably have already a copy, but with these novels, it's always great to collect. And they were having like a buy one get one 50% off romantic book deal type thing. So I got How Freaking Romantic by Emily Hardin, which is a signed edition. I was super excited when I saw that. I was like, I'm definitely gonna pick it up because I wanted to get it off of Book of the Month, but then I had, look at how nice. I was saying I was gonna get it off of Book of the Month, but then I had other options as well, and I have enough credits for other books, so I just decided I'm gonna go get the other ones since I got this one at Barnes & Nobles. And then this one I got Falling for Gage by Mia Sheridan. She did Archer's Voice and Grayson's Vow. Archer's Voice is one of my favorite romance books, so I'm excited for this one. It says, how is it possible that perfect Gage Buchanan is still single after all these years? So those are the 3 books that I basically got. Like I said, I'm gonna try to stop buying physical copies and just buy it on my new e-reader that I got. So if you guys have not checked out that video, I'm gonna link that down below. I got a kobo for my birthday. Let me show you guys real quick. I'll be right back. So here it is. This is the Kobo Libra color, and I'm super excited to use this because first of all, it's color like I said, and then you can underline and everything. This is like a mini iPad basically. You could read and do notes on this as well. So I'm super excited. Just go check out my whole like little review about it, but I'll also give you guys updates in the future on how I'm using the Kobo. So yeah, I'm about to go to my hair. This is the last time you're gonna see me with my natural hair color. So usually I would want my hair longer, like my hair is up to like my bra strap, but I'm going to do my hair now for my birthday because I usually do things the opposite way. Like I usually cut my hair, do all this stuff during the winter time, which doesn't make sense, and then like I keep my hair long and do nothing with my hair during the summer, and that should be the opposite. So that's why I'm going to get my hair done now, even though it would look so much prettier longer. But yeah, let's head to the salon. So here are the results, guys. I'm super duper excited with how it turned out. This is all I wanted, and I'm gonna show you guys inspo pictures that I showed her. I'm gonna also show you guys what I did before, like years ago from her. But I really love how she does hair, like chef's kiss. Obviously this is a balayage. First she foiled my hair, and she said it will probably take 2 sessions to like get my hair like to the blonde that I was showing her, but I only did 1 session, which was crazy. Like my hair, from the darkness, how dark my hair was before, somehow my hair turned blonde in like a good 30 minutes. Like she left the foil in for 30 minutes, and when they took that foil out, my hair was super duper blonde. Like I was just like, that is not how this is gonna turn out, right? Like in my head I was just like, oh my goodness, that looked crazy. It was like chalk yellow or chalk blonde. But then she was like, we're gonna like glaze and like fix the streaks, because like it looks streaky at the top. So she was like, oh, we're gonna fix that and stuff like that, like try to blend everything together. And this is how it turned out. I was at the salon for like 3.5 hours, but it turned out really well. I always love when I come out this hair salon because I feel all fresh and new. But I'm super excited because this is my 26th birthday hair, and for a good while. This is gonna last for a while. So I had the other hair for a good 1.5 years or something like that. So I'm super excited to have this blonde in my hair. I think I made a good choice, but let's keep going with whatever I have in store for my birthday. It's my birthday and I'm eating cereal, and I'm starting my day off with songs and Miss Rachel. So I'm currently watching a movie. It's Blue Streak with Martin Lawrence. It's really funny. So I'm almost finished with the movie. The baby's sleeping, so that's why I ended up putting on a movie, because she's not hogging the TV. So was reading, but then I decided to watch the movie. So after I watch the movie, I'm gonna keep reading until she wakes up. So it's time to get ready, and I was gonna leave my hair like this, but I think I'm going to curl it more. And luckily I found a curler here because I have my curler back at the house. So luckily I found something, because I think my hair is the star of the show, so we gotta get it right. So let's do my hair real quick. So I curled it. I wish it looked like how it did when I came out the salon yesterday, but you know, we're gonna have to work with this. I still like it though, but let's see how these I'm charging my phone. Let's see how these pictures turn out later. Oh, I gotta show you guys my outfit too. Okay guys, I got distracted with taking pictures and videos of myself, but here is my outfit. My shirt is from Uniqlo, pants Uniqlo. I'm gonna wear my white Vans. I have jewelry from Jeweler, my ring, Jeweler. I have 2 puzzle pieces, an A and the initial for my daughter, a cross. I got 3 little Words Project bracelets. 2 that I made and 1 that my mom made for my birthday. 1 says Jesus, 1 is EST 2017 and Girl Mom, and then I have another bracelet from the jeweler. Did my nails. I had rhinestones on the ring finger, but I just took them out because they were falling off. I have my earrings. I don't have all my earrings on today. And then I just have my cartilage piercing in on the other side because I can't take that out. But yeah, I can't wait to take photos because my outfit, my whole look is popping, and this hair just says it all. We're walking to the restaurant. me to do the stroller? So this is the ending to my birthday vlog. It's the next day. We ate dinner and everything. Now I'm waiting to get picked up so I could go back home. But that was all for the video. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys what my mom got me for my birthday. She got me like 2 bracelets. One was this chunky bracelet that I didn't show you guys yesterday, and it has like a lily on it or something. And then she gave me also this bracelet. It's like a chain bracelet, and it has ladybug, my baby's sign, and my sign. And then she got me that girl mom little words project bracelet. But yeah, that was everything. Sorry, the baby's music is playing in the background. But yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.